Thank you, President. For many years now, thalidomide survivors have had to campaign for justice, my constituents in Wales like those across the European Union. As their health needs increase, we must do all we can to ensure that action is now taken, action which is long overdue. We know that the campaign goes on to ensure that all the facts come to light regarding the German government's role in the premature ending of the 1970 trial, the only ever criminal trial relating to the whole thalidomide scandal. Because it ended early, valuable evidence was suppressed, and many thalidomide survivors could not make claims for compensation to cover their lifelong needs as a result. While some survivors have received some support, others have received nothing. We want equality and justice for all the survivors in all countries. As their elected representatives, we want to ensure that their present and their future care needs are met. We need to look at a European framework to achieve that. They've already waited over 50 years. It was believed that over 10,000 babies worldwide were affected by thalidomide. More recent information suggests that the numbers were much, much higher than that. There's a wealth of evidence about the ongoing suffering and the increasing health needs of the survivors. Detailed studies have been done in the UK and in Germany, which show just how urgent these needs are. There's been strong cross-party support in this House for the campaign for justice, the 50-year fight. I believe that it's time for us to act now to help put right a terrible wrong. Thank you.
Honourable James.
Firstly, I want to congratulate and recognise thalidomide victims across Europe and campaigners for their dogged persistence in their campaign. In May 2015, 9 months ago, MEPs of every political group here